Hey Charles, thanks so much for taking the time to do this personal interview for my LinkedIn family. So tell me about this amazing event. You've closed out the entire Turtle Bay Resort in Oahu, and you're flying in 100 of your CISO friends for a whole week of a conference, talking about SEC regulations and how to jointly meet these requirements. Tell me about this event. I'm really excited to be a part of it, and I just want to share with some of my close contacts and make sure everybody's in the loop of what's going on. Tell me more about like how this came to be and what's going down in Oahu.
Oh yeah, that's great question. Yeah, so we've actually got 100 of my friends, my peers from the Global Fortune 500 folks. Again, my background being in finance, law, and psychology, so we've got a huge footprint in financial services and finance in general. So if anyone's looking for finance services, yeah, we're all in one place. So good to know that security's tight. Um, we've actually hosting a summit. In fact, we're hosting two, October 1st through October 6th. So we've got our Horizon Cybersecurity Summit, so the cybersecurity aspect of it, October 2nd to October 4th, and then our investment summit from the 4th through the 6th.
That's amazing. So we're really glad congratulations on the event. I hear that there's a wait list now. So there's CISOs who want to participate can still go on and submit to attend because you know what? There's cancellations, right? There's always somebody having a baby, or maybe there's somebody got sick with COVID. We don't want to say that word anymore, but things happen, so there might be room to open up. Again, what's the requirement? I think it was you had to have be a CISO for an organization of 5,000 seats and above, and there's some sort of revenue range that have to fall in.
Yeah, absolutely. So we actually recruit best two out of three. So either you're part of the Global Fortune 500 folks, CIO, CISO, or you've got a minimum of 5,000 seats, but you're still also the CIO, CISO, or equivalent. There are a few countries that are coming. We've got roughly 15 countries coming. So not all countries have CISO, so their equivalent is definitely acceptable.
Right. So I hear there's some buyers for entire countries coming. I mean, rumor mill tells me you've had to bring on some extra security because you have some pretty high profile individuals attending the event. So is this true what I'm hearing? What is this? I've got little spies giving me inside information.
Yeah, absolutely. Great question. So we actually do have some of the world's largest financial institutions attending, as well as some of the private uh, institutional investors that are coming, either in the extremely high billions of dollars, or the some of them are definitely in the high millions of dollars, but most of them are in the high billions of dollars, definitely. So we did actually take in some additional security. There are some additional armed security guards that will be present for our summits.
Wow. So pretty impressive. Congratulations on the great work that you're doing. I think it's really important. Everybody's getting together for a great cause. Sadly, there's a lot going on in Hawaii right now. I hear there's might be an opportunity to collect some donations to support Maui. I think that's going to be posted on the website soon. Any information on that?
We actually are doing stuff to help that effort. We actually didn't make it public, but yes, there'll be some additional information that they can pick up from from us. Yes.
Great. So standing strong with Hawaii. Also, I heard that there's still availability of some participants to get in, but it has to be through one of the sponsors. So how does that work with the sponsor packages? And if there's somebody who still wants to attend, how can they get an invite?
Oh, great question. Yeah, I'm not sure who told you that one. That was usually restricted information. So, um, the Neptune Media has actually given out all of its sponsorship passes, all of our attendee passes. So all of the VIP invites that Neptune Media has to circulate, we've already syndicated, we've already given out. However, all of the sponsors have the opportunity to invite either their best current clients or their prospective clients. It's built into their sponsorship package. They have at least anywhere from 1 to 10 different passes to give out to prospective or current clients. Yes, absolutely. So even though Neptune Media itself doesn't have any more passes to give, there are still passes available directly from our sponsors.
Awesome. That's exciting to hear. It's great news. So, thank you so much for your service. I hear it's going to be an amazing event. We're going to do these every 6 months. So, for those of you who want to participate, make sure you reach out to the website. Tabletop exercises, trainings, VC type Shark Tank pitches, lots going on. And looking forward to working with everybody. And Charles, thanks so much for hosting such a great event and allowing me to be a part of it. Yeah, we'll see. I guess see you guys in Hawaii.
Absolutely. We'll see everybody in Hawaii. Sin, it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much for attending with us.